So the evaluation round which I used was of my Forex funds, and they evaluate traders if they know how to trade or not. So what they do is that they give you certain rules which you have to follow because you are basically trading their money. So from the first round, have we have to make a profit of 8%, having a 5% daily drawdown and a maximum of 12% overall drawdown. So now after that, if you pass that, which I just did, they will be giving you a second phase account in which you have to make 5% of the profits in 5 minimum trading days, and the maximum time you get to pass that account is in 60 days or 40 trading days. So which I literally did it in one day, which will be my next video on. And what you see about these platforms that they give you up to 85% of the profit flip, and lowest targets in the market, which is 8% and 5%, which is really good, and low cost high quality option. I mean, the fee is pretty much good, like as compared to other prop firms like FTMOs, etc. And this is the $20,000 account which I took, and yeah, which I'll be getting, I think, 2% off my profit, the 1,600 which I made. I'd be getting 2% off of it once I pass the second phase account. And this is the position size calculator which I used. So you can go to earnforex.com, enter trader indicators, position size calculator. I'll post the link below, and you can use that to focus on your risk management and use the script in order for you to take good trades, and you don't need to calculate the lot sizes again and again. It also shows you about your pending orders and current market orders, current portfolio, how much you're risking, how much reward it is, potential reward there is, the margins, leverage, and also you can set up targets like take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, which is not possible if you just use the MT4 app. These are the account metrics for that account, and as you can see, I made around $1,600 profit in 7 days, and there was no violation detected. At one point I was at 3% up, then lost, eventually traded and took a couple of bad trades, came down to minus 8%, then made a percent back, now down 7%, almost 7%, yeah, almost 7%. And then the last day made around $3,000 profit, which is this one right here. Total traded lots were 1,129. They may seem a lot, but it depends on the broker. Now if you divide it by 28, it's approximately 21 lots per trade, so which is in some brokers would be 2.1 lots or 0.21 lots, so it doesn't matter, it's relative. The risk management was taken care of, yeah, in a way. MT4 data. Now the thing which I need to work on is cutting my losses short. Now the gross loss is almost 10.6k and gross profit is 12.29k. So now the thing is that if I'm able to reduce my losses, I can increase my profit factor and maybe increase my expected payoff as well. Now the maximum drawdown I went into was $2,369, and as you know, this is a 20k account, so I cannot make more than 2,400 loss. I was close to losing the account, but I didn't, and the risk to reward ratio paid well. And whereas the last trade was really good as well. The largest trade, I made $2,395 in one trade, and maximum loss was $510 per trade. The average profitable trade was $132, and average loss was $101. The stats are not that good, but the profit factor is okay. The thing needed to be worked on in that account was the gross loss and cutting my loser short, which I didn't. So yeah, got to learn a new thing. Okay, so this is the Dow Jones chart, or US 30 if you want to say that. So this chart only consists data of the 6 hours or 7 hours of market open, and not as a typical US 30 chart which has pre-market hours as well. So I'm going to be talking about my biggest gain, which was on 22nd of October, which made me pass the first evaluation round. I mostly take my entries on the 5 minute and 1 minute time frame. according to the market structure presented in the market. So now the best trade which I took that day on 22nd October was a short, and here you can see that the market opened around here, which I'll highlight. Market opened around here, and market opened. After that, it came for the next 10 minutes and just kept on pushing forward, and made a new all-time high. So now new all-time high has been created. So we have to see if the momentum is there or not. So if the momentum is not there, the price would not be pushing forward in good momentum. Plus it's an all-time high, so I need really good catalyst like a stock to be, for it to go up. So now we have this support over here, and we have to see if it is going to sustain or not, and this newly formed resistance. Now after this fake out was created, now this fake out was actually quite tricky. Let's say we have a new resistance over here, and the market is not closing above this resistance, so I will not take this trade. So now it closed back in. Good entry would have been here, like putting your entry over here and your stop loss here, but well, you don't know about that at that point of time. Then the market made a low after this, like made a high, made a low. Then it failed to go back into this range, into this whole area, and made a lower high. So now low high is made. We have basically rejected this whole area. I had an entry over here with stop loss, tight stop loss around $400 over here, with the take profit being the closing price of the previous day, because the closing price is where the daily candle actually closes and the next one opens. So this daily candle opened around this area, which is over here. So now I took this trade. It was a 1 to 6 hour trade. Yeah, 1 to 6 hour trade, and that's how I made around 2,300. And then I had, I think, $100 more which I had to make. So I made that around this area when this candle flipped, like it went. I wanted a resistance to be formed, so a resistance was formed around here, and at one point this was a bullish candle, so I was thinking that maybe this is also coming, and there is bullish momentum in the market, because in the beginning of the market is pushed upwards. So considering this to be an order block, I thought that market is going to go up, but I waited for the candle to close. So after the candle was closed, I took this entry over here after this, and stop loss in this area, entry here, and then just hit my target around this area over here. That's it. Video, please hit the like button, and if you would like more trading related content, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye bye.